Today, I'll show you how to cook rice now that the pasta is running out. There's still plenty of rice on sale.
Cheapest rice?
Yes, that's right. So, while the cheapest rice is sold out, you should still be able to buy rice for just over £1 per kilo. I'll cook some rice with just a saucepan. You should start by measuring out your rice. Depending on your appetite, you should cook between 100 and 150 ml of rice per person per meal. I'll cook 250 ml to cover tomorrow's lunch as well. Then you should pour your rice into a saucepan and wash it by soaking it in water and squeezing it with your hand. Afterwards, you can drain the rice and add a ml of water for each ml of rice. If you are cooking brown rice, you should add 20% more water. Now you can place the rice on the stove and turn on the heat. Once the water starts to boil, turn down the heat. I placed some vegetables on the rice and will cover the saucepan to let them steam. Once the vegetables appear to be cooked, you should check the rice by stirring the bottom of the saucepan. There should be no water left. Now that it's done, you can scoop the rice onto a plate and place the vegetables and meat on top. I'll enjoy my ribeye steak with broccoli and rice. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.